artists, welcome to Nero Arts 9 Art channel. Today we'll see the process video of Lippan art. We'll see the do's and don'ts of Lippan art. Let's get started. Firstly, we'll mix both the molded clays. There is a hardener and a clay that is given. We are going to mix it to form the Lippan. There is a total white solid. We mix it both to form a white solid like this. Now we'll place it on the OHP sheet and roll it using the acrylic block to form long threads. You can use talcum powder to roll it easier. Now apply the Fevicryl gum and now we are going to stick the Lippan onto the MDF board. So the first do here is we are going to use more Lippan thread so that it will be easy for us to cut the excess. We can use the acrylic block or a scale to cut the excess. Here comes the second do. Always tilt the board and check if the Lippan is sticking onto the pattern correctly. So here comes the first down. Don't mix the molded all at once. Use a little amount of hardener and then the clay and mix it and use it accordingly. If you mix whole at once, the standing time of the molded clay is very less, so everything will get hardened and it will be harder for you to make the long threads. So we'll start coloring now. So the do here is we are going to color always from the center. We are not coloring it from the outside because our hand might get colored and it might spoil the design. So the other do is that you can use a gesso or a primer to use the primer for the canvas board, or you can color it twice. Here I have directly colored it onto the canvas board. So I have colored it twice to give the thick look. Now we will color the Lippan using the white acrylic color. Here the biggest to do is we have always to choose a different color from the color patterns we have used. Always a different contrast color. Here I have used white. When you use a contrast color, the whole design stands out. Now we'll fix the mirrors. So these are the mirrors that are given in the kit. So using a piler, we can fix the mirrors. To pick up tiny mirrors, a piler is very convenient. So fixing the last piece of mirror, my Lippan art is over, and I enjoyed Lippan art a lot. Hope you enjoyed it too. If this helped you, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.